Hello, dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in this YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the question and answers of the chapter A Short Monsoon Story, Class 8 NCERT, and the book is Honeydew. So let's check out the question and answers. So we are in page number 115 and the question number 1 asking, why is the author not able to see Biju? Answer is, when the mist comes up, it covers the hills and spreads silence. So, the author could not see Biju because of the mist that concealed the hills. He could only hear his voice but could not see him. Okay, students, you got the answer. Since there was so much of mist, so because of that mist was blankets the whole hill. That's why the author can see only the mist but not the Biju and can hear only his voice. Question number 2. What are the two ways in which the hills appear to change when the mist comes up? So the answer is, when the mist comes up, the hills appear to change. All the birds sitting on the hills fall silent. It conceals not only the hills but blankets them in silence also. So students, here the question is asking that how the hills appear when the mist comes up. So the answer is saying that when the monsoon comes up, the mist comes up, then it is all silence all around. Even the birds are silent and the mist is so dark that no one can see also. Just person can hear each other's. Okay, so now we are in page number 117. Here the first question is asking, when does the monsoon season begin and when does it end? So answer is, the monsoon season in Mussoorie begins from June 24. By August 2, the people are fed up with rain. It ends by August 31. Okay students, so this is starting from June 24 to end it's in August 31. Okay. Now, second question. How do you prepare to face the monsoon? So the answer is, we take out raincoat and umbrella to face the monsoon. Okay students, as we generally do, right? So same thing you have to write here. Question number 2. Which hill station does the author describe in this diary entry? So here the answer is, the author describes the hill station Mussoorie in this diary entry. Okay students, you got the answer. Here the answer is Mussoorie Hill Station. Question number 3. For how many days does it rain without stopping? Answer, it rains for 8 to 9 days without stopping. Number 2. What does the author do on these days? On these days, answer is, the author nowhere to go. He stays in the room and looks out of the window. So it's just an casual answer students, that if there is a heavily raining outside, then one cannot go anywhere. So the author was also, he was not go anywhere and he was just looking from the window. Now question number 4 asking, where do the snakes and rodents take shelter? Answer is, the rodents and snakes take shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. Second question, why? So the answer is, they do so because their holes are flooded with rain water. Okay students, so as you can also imagine that the rodents and snakes lives where? Under the ground, in the holes and in the burrows. Okay, but when the rain falls with the heavy rains, their holes and burrows that also flooded, so they have to come out of their shelters from their holes and they. Question number 5. What did the author receive in the mail? So the answer is, we know students that the author received a check in his mail which was not a large pay, but he still welcomed it. Okay. So it is also a genuine advice for all of you that whenever you will receive a check, just welcome that, whether it is a small or large one. But it is also true that with hard work you can convert that small check into the large check. Okay. Students, now we are in the text question and answers, page number 118. First question. Look carefully at the diary entries from June 24, 25, August 2 and March 23. Now write down the changes that happens as the rain progress from the June to March. So students, here the answer is, on the first day of the monsoon, mist covers the hills and birds become silent. Thereafter, monsoon changes into winter rain, which brings snow and a hailstorm. Okay, students, the journey is given here that from the mist it comes to the monsoon, monsoon to the winter, winter to the winter rain, and that brings snow and hailstorm. Okay. Question number 2. Why did the grandmother ask the children not to kill the chuchundar? So the answer is, the grandmother asked the children not to kill the chuchundar because she believed chuchundar brought good luck and money for others, so that she did not want to hurt that. Okay, students, so there is a belief from the grandmother that chuchundar are for good luck and we should not hurt them. But I would also say you that instead of these beliefs, it is also depends on our sensitivity, that how we deal with the animals. So become more sensible and never ever hurt any animals. Okay. Question number 3 asking, what signs do we find in nature which show that monsoons are about to end? So the answer is, at first cobra lily appears black with the arrival of the monsoon. When the seeds of cobra lily begin to turn red, it indicates the rains are coming to end. Okay, students, so as I also told you in the class that there are some signs which mother nature gives us, like for the in the arrival of the monsoon, the first thing we'll rear is black cobra, hai na? I mean, sorry, that is cobra lily, which is has a long black seeds like structure. Okay, so and at the end of the monsoon, that black color of the cobra lily will turn into red color. Okay, so this way we can found that monsoon is coming to an end. Question number 4. Complete the following sentences. So students, here we have given with the fill in the blanks. So the answer of the fill in the blanks, I have put it in the inverted comma so that you can find out that it is in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so the number 1 question is, Biju is not seen but his voice is heard because, so the answer is, of the mist in the surroundings. Since the mist was so dark that only we can hear the person's voice, not the face. Okay. Number 2. The writer describes the hill station and valleys as, the fill in the blanks, we can fill this with this, a paradise that might have been. So according to the writer, that the hills was looking much like a paradise. Okay. Now third point of question number 4. The leopard was successful in fill in the blanks. So we will fill here, lifting up a dog, but had to flee when. So here the fill in the blanks will be, Biju's mother approached there. Okay, students, so we have also read in the chapter that when the Biju's mother approached there, then the leopard who has just lift up the dog, he just flew. Okay, flee away. Now number 4. The mini-weights are easily noticed because, so the fill in the blanks can be filled with, they have bright colors. Okay, students, so that's why the mini-weights are easily noticed. Okay. Now fifth point of question number 4. It looks like a fashion display on the slopes when, so the fill in the blanks we can fill with, when ground orchids, mauve ladies slipper and the white butterfly orchids bloom. So students, in the monsoon, as I told you in the classes, that when the monsoon came up, then most of the flowers just they bloomed up. So that is looks like a fashion display. So that is what it is written here. Now number 6. During the monsoon season, snakes and rodents are found in roof. Okay, यहाँ पे roof होगा है ना, गलती से I have just put fruits. Okay, यहाँ पे roof and attics because, so the fill in the blanks can be filled with, they have been flooded out of their holes and burrows. Okay students, जब इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हुई तो स्नेक्स और जो रोडेंट्स, जो चूहे छुछुंदर वगैरह थे, तो अपने होल्स से बाहर निकल के वो लोग छतों पे आ जाते हैं, अटारियों पे आ जाते हैं. ओके. Question number 5. Although tin roof are given to sprinkling on accountable lakes, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So, question number 1. Why has the writer used the word springing? Answer is, the word springing means to develop suddenly. Tin roofs are prone to developing unexpected leaks, so the writer used this word. So, students, what happens like when the tin roof suddenly started making noises, that was sudden. Okay, that was not usual, that was sudden. So that's why by listening to that sudden noise in the tin roof because of the falling rainfall, so the writer used the word springing. Okay. Question number 2 or 5. How is the writer untouched by the rain? So the answer is, the writer was not getting completely wet by the rain as he was in the house. Thus, he was untouched by the rain. Obviously, student, if there is a heavy rainfall and we are at our safe shelter at our home, then we will be untouched. Okay, so that's why I wrote it here. Now, the third question. How is the writer in touch with the rain at the same time? The answer is, the writer was in touch with the rain at the same time because he could feel the rain by listening to its drumming sound on the corrugated tin roof. Okay, students, so though the writer was in the room in his home, but since he was listening the rainfall, the sound of the rainfall through the corrugated roof, tin roof, so that's why he was saying at the same time untouched, and at the same time he was touching with the rain, just because he was listening the rainfall in the corrugated tin roof. Okay. Question number 6. Mention a few things that can happen when there is endless rain for days together. So students, here the answer is, everything becomes damp and soggy. There is no place for anyone to go. One is closed up in his room. So students, we have also felt the same thing when we are here in Gumla and in anywhere in the whole world. If there is a heavy rainfall, then everything looks damp, soggy, and there is no place to go. Since in the heavy rainfall, who will go out of their home, right? Okay, so that's what it is written here. Question number 7. What is the significance of cobra lily in relation to the monsoon season, its beginning and end? So, here the answer is, at the beginning of the monsoon, it is the cobra lilies that rear first, and at the end of the season, the seeds of the flower starts turning red. It signifies that monsoon is coming to an end. Okay students, so as already we have discussed that when the monsoon arrives, it is the first cobra lily plant only that rears up, that can be seen first, and its seeds is black, but at the end of the monsoon its seed will turn to red. So just by observing the cobra lily we can find out that the monsoon is coming at its end. Okay. Okay, dear students, so we have completed the question and answers here. So I am expecting you that in this Durga Puja vacation, you just write the question and answers in your notebook, learn it and revise it. And a very happy Dashera to all of you. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye. Take care.